If you're almost 30, you feel like you have achieved nothing, you feel lost, I have been there, and I have 3 tips for you that you need to hear. When I was in my late 20s, I had never had a long-term boyfriend. I was dealing with a health issue. I had just been to the hospital. I had an ovary surgery. They said the ovary was gonna die. They had to remove it. I had no local friends. My family was living in a different town, so I had no support. I was just alone, and I had tried to become a digital nomad, but I lost all my money and had to go back to cold Sweden and get an office job again. This was a huge low point in my life, but what I didn't know is that 2 years later, I would meet my dream partner, my twin flame. I would actually become a digital nomad, and I would be teaching people about spirituality on this YouTube channel and my blog full time. I would move to this beautiful British countryside. I had no idea about any of this. I was feeling so lost. So if that's you, stop doing that and listen to these 3 tips I have for you. The first thing you need to know is that things will turn around. Things in life happens in phases, and now you're going through a tough phase, but it's in the tough phases where we learn the most. It's not when it's just love and light and we have no growth. The spiritual progress happens in the challenges. During my alone and confused time in my late 20s, I learned so much about myself. I grew so much. I learned how to be happy being myself. I learned to surrender. Without this period of my life, I wouldn't be the person I am now. The second thing you need to know is to stop comparing yourself to other people's timelines. And I know that that is so difficult to do today, where we have social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and we get to see everybody's amazing lives. We get to see the highlights of people's lives. People usually don't share the shitty parts of their life. I'm 32 now, and it feels like everybody around me is having kids. And I have been struggling with womb issues, hormonal issues my entire adult life. I was diagnosed with PCOS at the age of 19. I told you I'd had surgery. I had to have my fallopian tube removed. Thankfully, the ovary survived. But I know that one day I will heal my womb, I will heal my hormonal issues, and I will have beautiful kiddos, all in divine time. And I know that many of these moms are looking at me now and being like, oh my gosh, she has all this free time, she gets to travel, enjoy her youth. So know that everything will happen in the divine timing, and be grateful for what you have now. The third thing that you need to know is that what I've noticed with successful people, like extremely successful people, like Tony Robbins or Project Life Mastery, if you follow him on YouTube. They all had a dark night of the soul, like a time in their life where everything just felt to shit, and they went into debt, they were in a depression, everything seemed to be going wrong. They felt confused on the direction they wanted to go. They all had that just before their breakthrough, just before their big success. One of the biggest influencers in my niche, in the spiritual niche, he has over 1 million subscribers. He said that he started 12 companies. They all went bankrupt until he got success. So it's so easy to look at a celebrity, to look at somebody we look up to and think, oh wow, they really hit the jackpot. But they've had dark night of the souls, they've had struggles, they've had depressions, they've felt lost in their life. Things turn around for them, and things will turn around for you. So see this episode as a confirmation that happiness and clarity and purpose is just around the corner. And start by downloading my free purpose guide on how to find your purpose in 5 simple steps. Let me know if this resonated, and love you so much.